Built for the CTS workflow, the Baselayr VT2536 features fast LED exposure in an affordable, compact, and vertical space. Let me show you how to use it. In dialing in your exposure times, we're essentially going to do the same thing as we do with the traditional exposure unit, and that is use the 21-step guide. We need to carefully tape it to the screen, and we want to make sure that it's tight. So we're going to slide it in, image side facing left, the VT2536. Next, we'll set the exposure time using the digital timer on the front of the unit. Use the arrow keys to dial in your exposure time. Seconds, tens of seconds, minutes, and tens of minutes, which you're never going to need on this exposure unit. Start here at 22 seconds on the 305. Press start, and the 405 nanometer LEDs will quickly expose your emulsion. Once your timer is at 0, your exposure is complete and you can pull out the screen. All right, this washed out to a 6, which means we're underexposed, but we need to bump up the time. So I'd probably go to about 24 or 25 seconds for my next exposure. The VT2536 is made for affordable, space-saving, fast and accurate exposure. Get in, burn it, and get out.